A highly contagious bacterial infection known as whooping cough is surging in parts of our state. CDC data shows that as of October 12th, there are 408 reported cases of whooping cough in Idaho alone, which is a drastic difference from the 15 cases that were reported at the same time last year. Case numbers are also on the rise across other areas of the Northwest.
What we're seeing, if we look at our cases, most of those cases are in children, and they're kind of the tip of the iceberg, with pertussis.
Pertussis, also called whooping cough, and the advice from the CDC: if you get whooping cough as an adult, symptoms include a mild cough, a fever, and a runny or stuffy nose for about a week or two. But the disease, it can progress much differently in children.